Seeing a Burmese python coiled around their baby would be a nightmare for most parents. But for snake handler Jamie Gurino, it's simply a show of affection from a beloved family pet.
Alissa! Is that a snake? You can play with a snake?
And the father of 3 from Michigan, USA, is on a mission to change opinion on what he sees as an irrational fear of snakes.
In this video, I was showing the simple fact that snakes are not evil creatures. They can be a loving pet, despite their bad reputation. My daughter was absolutely in no danger.
In the footage, Jamie's 13-foot python Nene can be seen interacting with his daughter Alissa, who was 14 months old at the time.
When people see this clip, they mostly react with fear or negativity. And I don't understand why, because as you can see, the snake is just roaming around. It has no interest in biting her or choking her or swallowing her. This is an embedded fear, and I think people are brainwashed.
Jamie has been a snake handler since the age of 16 and wants to bring his 2 daughters, 10-year-old Krista and Alissa, who's now 3, into the family business.
I think the benefits of raising children around exotics is simple. They can open up their mind to something different, rather than your average pet. My plan is to open up a reptile zoo with my daughters. We want to share our passion and educate people that reptiles belong.
But his relaxed attitude toward his beloved snakes raises eyebrows amongst people who see them as inherently dangerous.
To those of you who might see this video as irresponsible or dangerous, please take a minute. Don't judge based on fear or something you don't understand. Snakes can be and are loving animals. There are 95% more dog attacks than snakes. My daughter was absolutely in no danger.